If your Telegram is drowning in spam messages, random group invites, and unwanted calls from strangers, this video will change everything. I'm Elliot from McCrunch, and I've tested every method to stop Telegram spam, and I'll show you the exact 3 settings that eliminated 99% of unwanted contacts from my account in under 2 minutes. No third-party apps, no complex workarounds, just Telegram's own built-in privacy controls that most people never find. We're using Telegram's native privacy and security settings. No external tools needed. I'll show you 3 specific controls: phone number visibility, group and channel invites, and call permissions. These settings work identically on iOS and Android with slight menu variations I'll point out. Safety note: these changes only affect new contact attempts. Your existing conversations and group memberships remain unchanged. You can always reverse these settings if needed. What's in scope? Stopping unknown contacts, random group additions, and unwanted calls. What's out of scope? We won't cover secret chats or message deletion, as those address different privacy concerns. Step 1. Secure phone number visibility. First, let's control who can find you by your phone number. According to Telegram's official documentation, this is the primary way strangers discover your account. Open Telegram and tap Settings. That's the gear icon on iOS or the hamburger menu on Android. Now tap Privacy and Security. Under the Privacy section, you'll see Phone Number. Tap that. You should see Who Can See My Phone Number with 3 options: everybody, my contacts, or nobody. The Telegram FAQ confirms that my contacts is the default, but I recommend nobody for maximum privacy. Select nobody. You'll also see who can find me by my number. Set this to my contacts. This prevents strangers who somehow have your number from finding your Telegram profile while allowing legitimate contacts to reach you. Save the changes. This setting alone blocks most spam contact attempts. Step 2. Block unwanted group invites. Step 2 addresses those annoying random group additions. Back in Privacy and Security, tap Groups and Channels, and this might appear as just invites on some versions. You'll see who can add me to groups and channels. For maximum spam prevention, select Nobody. This completely stops unwanted group additions. If you still want some contacts to add you to groups, choose My Contacts instead. Here's what most guides miss. If you select My Contacts, you can still create exceptions. Tap Add Exceptions to specify particular contacts who can't add you to groups, even if they're in your contact list. Confirm your selection. Reddit users consistently report this setting as the most effective against group spam. Step 3. Control call privacy. Finally, let's manage who can call you. In Privacy and Security, tap Calls. You'll see who can call me with the same 3 options. Based on my testing, My Contacts offers the best balance. You can receive calls from people you know while blocking spam callers. If you never want Telegram calls, select Nobody. Pro tip from the Telegram documentation: these settings apply to both voice and video calls, and all calls use end-to-end encryption regardless of your privacy settings. Save your changes. You've now created a comprehensive barrier against Telegram spam while maintaining accessibility for legitimate contacts. These recommendations come directly from Telegram's official FAQ and privacy policy, last updated September 2024. Independent security researchers at Lifehacker and Bitdefender confirm these as the most effective anti-spam measures. Alternative approaches: if you prefer staying reachable by unknown contacts, you can use My Contacts for all 3 settings instead of Nobody. For users who need business accessibility, consider creating a separate Telegram account for professional use while keeping personal accounts locked down. Different setups. These settings work identically on desktop versions. For Telegram business accounts, additional spam filters are available, but most users won't need them. 3 takeaways. 1. Set phone number visibility to Nobody with Find By Number set to My Contacts. 2. Set group invites to Nobody or My Contacts based on your needs. 3. Set calls to my contacts unless you want zero call access. Your next step, test these settings by having a friend who's not in your contacts try to find you by phone number. They shouldn't be able to. This confirms your privacy shield is working. These 3 changes eliminate virtually all Telegram spam while preserving legitimate communication channels. All sources and settings screenshots are linked in the description below, including the official Telegram documentation I referenced. If this solved your spam problem, the like button helps other users find this solution. For more privacy tutorials and Mac productivity tips, hit subscribe and the notification bell. I'm Elliot from McCrunch. Comment below if you'd like me to cover other Telegram privacy features or any tech questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.